Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to my neighborhood. That's right, we're here in Point Douglas in a fantastic neighborhood. Matter of fact, this is one of the fastest value increasing neighborhoods in all of North America. A great opportunity to buy into, and this is an affordable house that you will not get anywhere else for this price. We're talking a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, fully updated, amazing yard, amazing garage. You're gonna love this house. This location is fantastic. We'll talk more about it at the end. Let's take a look at the house first. Well, if that inside wasn't amazing enough, check out this backyard. You've got a fantastic deck, you've got a great patio area, fire pit area, beautiful low maintenance flower gardens, and we've got a double car garage, fully insulated with lots of power. Well, I mentioned earlier I was going to talk about the area, so let's talk a little bit about it. Right across the street is a park with a baseball diamond. We've got active transport, so that is reduced to 1 block of transportation, and we've got the N.WPG Parkway, which is a bicycle trail that goes all the way through the north of the city, from north of the perimeter all the way to the forks. This is fantastic. Come check it out. Well, I guess that's going to conclude our tour here at 57 Barber Avenue. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Stinking family-friendly neighborhoods with all these children playing. Ridiculous. I'm trying to shoot a video here and these kids are making all kinds of noise, having all kinds of fun.